The size of this display is 7 point. Hey guys, SpotReview back with another video. So today we're going to be making a video on the Alcatel K9. Now this is the biggest phone you can find on Amazon. I got it for only $240, so it's a pretty big bargain when you're looking at it from the display. But yeah guys, let's get on to the video. As you can see, it's a pretty big phone. So yeah, let's get on to the unboxing. Alright, so this is the phone right here inside the box. So as you can see, the box is actually pretty big for a phone. Usually it's like half the size, maybe even smaller, but the box itself looks pretty nice. On the bottom here, you have a sticker saying that it's the K9 model and the logo right here, and nothing much else is on the box except for their logos, and that's about it. So let's get to opening the box. So the box is pretty big, so it's actually pretty easy to open. So as you can see, the phone is right here in this plastic covering, and it seems to have a sticker of all the specs of the phone. So wow, so as you can see, it's a pretty big phone. These are my hands right here, pretty normal sized hands, and they're actually pretty big. So yeah, it's a really big phone. But as you can see on the front, it says Alcatel K9 with a 6,000 milliamp battery, which is extremely large for a phone, and this is also really big for a phone. And you're getting 30-watt charging for only $250. You're getting 3 of these specs for $250, which is an amazing deal. And you're also getting Face ID, and you're getting Android 9, which is also a bummer. It's pretty old. And you're getting a 16 megapixel rear camera with a 8 megapixel wide angle camera, I assume. But yeah, on the back you just have your dual SIM card. I'm pretty sure this is a dual SIM. Then you have your fingerprint reader on the back, and it looks like they already give you a complimentary case with it, but I'm just gonna take it off so I can feel it. But it's actually a pretty nice phone to hold in your hands, and the case is actually tight. But yeah, as you can see, the phone looks pretty nice. I'm gonna try and remove this. Hopefully it's not too hard. Alright, it's pretty hard, so I'll get back to that. But yeah, so these are all the main specs of the phone, I'm pretty sure. So now we're going to remove this right here, and it looks like they have a pre-installed screen protector that is kind of peeling off. That doesn't stick, I'll just remove it later on. But yeah, so far so good. I'm not able to remove this sticker right here, but I'll be back with you guys once I set up this phone. Alright, so while the phone is setting up right now, we're just gonna get to what's inside the box. So we have a instruction manual, I guess, of just all the functions and everything. And yeah, that's about it for that. But I assume it's like a cover. Something has to be underneath this because it's such a huge box. Oh wow, it's a lot of things here for... Wow, it's actually a lot of things in here. So first we have, yes, a USB-C. So this is a USB-C phone. That's pretty shocking. You also have a dongle for your USB, and then you also have another dongle for your headphone jack. Does this phone not have a headphone jack? But you also have a fast charger, which is also one of the key points that this phone sells. But yeah, it's like a Apple charger. It's the size of a Apple charger, but a bit bigger. And then you have your SIM card eject tool right here. And then, yes, you have warranty certification and another case, I guess. Wow, it's a huge case, but seems like it's for women because it's all glittery and stuff. But I don't think this will be protecting your phone at all. But it's pretty cool to have all these things inside the box. You don't see Apple doing this. To get all of these, you probably have to like pay another $200. But here, this Pretty sure this is a Chinese company, so that's a perk of a Chinese company, is where they give you everything and things that you don't need, like this case. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'll be back with you guys when the phone's all set up. Alright, so the phone is all set up, and it actually took a really long time to set up because this phone does only have 4 gigabytes of RAM, and it does not have a good processor, but that's what you expect at $240. But right off the bat, even before I started testing out the software and everything, I did feel like there's some lack of build quality, because I don't know if you can hear this, but I'm just gonna like press down on the phone. Maybe you can hear it, maybe you can't. I don't know if you can hear that, but it doesn't sound that good. I don't know what that is. It sounds like glue that's trying to stick to something. Maybe it's this back cover right here, but as you can see, the back cover is also kind of a fingerprint magnet. But yeah, so another thing I also noticed is the pre-installed screen protector just feels like trash. It feels like sandpaper, and it's actually pretty hard to remove. You can't really remove it with your finger. You need a heat gun or something like that. But the fingerprint scanner is also pretty good, I guess. It's okay. It's not too fast. But another thing that's really bad on this phone is the vibrating motor. You don't even feel it vibrating. No point of having this phone on vibration mode, because you won't even hear it. But overall, the screen is just amazing, because I never really had a phone this big. It's probably the biggest phone I've ever held in my hands. But this is my daily phone right here. It's a Vivo V15 Pro. It only has a 6.5-inch display, and compared to this phone, you can see that it's just humongous. It's just dominating in size. But this phone is actually pretty nice. Now, this phone does have a 16 megapixel camera, and I will be testing that out in a later video. I'll actually be posting my full review on it. This is just the unboxing and first impressions. But another thing I did notice is the UI that this phone runs on is pretty good, but as you can see right here, I'm trying to scroll over to Google Feed, but it's pretty slow and it's lagging a lot. So this phone has like a Helium P50 processor, and it's not really high end. You don't really see it in much phones, but it's super huge. One thing I can't get over is how big this phone is and how big the battery is. The battery is 6,000 milliamp hours, and yeah, as you can see, it does lag here and there. As you can see right here, it's kind of lagging, but it does get better here and there. So yeah, so stay tuned for the next video that I'm gonna post either on Monday. So you're gonna have to wait like a two to 3 days to get my full opinion on this phone. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please make sure to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out when I post my full review on this phone. But yeah, guys, that's it for watching. Peace.